It has been my dream to travel abroad someday, but when I got the opportunity, I nearly turned it down due to fear, nervousness, and uncertainty. But I got myself prepared for the unknown battle ahead of me. My name is Mawulawoe Amenuvor. I am from Ghana. On my first day of the semester, I went to my math class for students studying hospitality. When the instructor started introducing the course, I could barely hear him. I couldn't process whatever he said. My heart pounded. Yes, I am from a country where English is my first language, but this accent was difficult to understand. In the third week, we started learning a new topic, recipe and portion costing, but I couldn't understand the topic. I looked around and saw my classmates so focused and taking notes. I was so distracted seeing them. 2 days after the new topic, I shared this problem with my CCI program coordinator. She told me to speak with my instructor, which I did. He explained to me how a recipe's cost can be calculated, but I still didn't understand him. During this time, I was getting angry at my friends for little things and tried to avoid their company, believing I would fail this course. Sometimes I wished to go back to my country where I was recognized as an intelligent student. In order not to fail, I went over all the questions we solved in class and solved them repeatedly until I finally understood. In late September, I had a test on recipe costing. I prepared myself for the test, but after reading the first question, my mind went completely blank. I stared at the question paper like I was reading a foreign language. I couldn't recollect the formula. I solved the questions with my best guess, but I wasn't sure of what I did. Afterward, when a friend gave me a ride home, I couldn't find my voice to speak as I wanted to cry. I ignored all his questions, but at my apartment, I called another friend and cried while she consoled me. The test was on Friday, and the result wouldn't come until Monday. My mind was not at peace. I checked my results online several times, knowing clearly it wouldn't be updated yet. On Monday, I couldn't take my eyes from my instructor as he shared the results to my classmates. I was skipped. Did I really fail? Or was it a coincidence? I found some strength to ask for my results. My instructor apologized and found my test on his table. I heard him say, "You are doing well." I wanted to scream when I saw my mark. It was my best mark I earned so far in this class. This experience built my confidence level. I started participating in class, which I never did because I feared others would laugh at my accent. I now communicate freely with my instructors and tell them any challenge I am facing in class. I am now so positive in whatever I am doing and will never give up, but keep trying.